पहली बात तो आज का टॉपिक है आपका, यू हैव टू स्पीक अबाउट योर फादर and you have to speak in a limited time. Each of you will be given only 2 minutes time, and as I call the name of any one of you, get ready, and then I will say that yes, start. You will start, and then after completing your time I will say that your time is over. Then बस आप चुप हो जाइएगा. क्लियर हो गई बात आपको? So Anjali, come and start.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena. Today, my topic is father. My father name is Maheshchandra Meena. His age is 45 years.
शाबाश, very
His
good.
his qualification is BA passed. He is a businessman. His hobby is watching movie. He watch TV. My family head is my father.
Very good.
He is a simple man. He wear simple clothes. He is a nice person. He is a businessman. He worship God every day.
दो मिनट बहुत होते हैं.
He get up early in the morning. He loves us. He all our needs.
He fulfills all our needs.
He fulfill all our needs. My father, his favorite food is idli sambar.
Okay, Anjali, your time is over. Nice
Okay.
speaking. Come on, Koinur. Start.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kuno. I am the student of Raman English 11 active classes from batch B. Today, our topic about my father. My father name is Mr. Sandeep Lamba. He is about 47 years old. He is a shopkeeper. He do hard work from morning to evening for us.
He does hard work. ध्यान रखो थोड़ा
He
सा.
does hard work from morning to
चाहे
evening for
कम
us.
बोलो लेकिन सही बोलो. हाँ.
He wakes up early in the morning. He reads a newspaper daily.
Very good.
He takes tea and bread in the breakfast. He puts on simple clothes. He is a punctual person. His favorite color is red. He goes to his shop at 7:30 o'clock and he comes
नहीं,
back
7:30 o'clock नहीं, मैंने बोला था ना आपको.
7:30 a.m.
When there are minutes with hours, you should not say o'clock. Yes, come on.
Okay, sir. And he comes back at 6:30
Yes.
p.m. And he sleeps at 10 p.m. In the night. And he is very nice person. He fulfill our all the needs, and we are proud of him. That's it, sir.
Okay. 1 minute and 22 seconds is speaking. Nice speaking, no problem. Very good. Yes, come on, Ritik. स्टार्ट करो ऋतिक. टाइम चालू हो चुका है आपका.
Yes, sir. My father name is Dilip Bhatt. He is 5 years. He get up early morning.
उच्चारण ठीक करो अपने. ईयरली नहीं होता है, अर्ली होता है. प्रोनाउंसिएशन ठीक करो. हाँ.
Okay, sir. He is simple and kind person. He wears simple clothes. He takes tea and bread in he watch TV.
Watches.
Our favorite color is blue.
Your voice is not clear.
He, that is.
हो गया?
हाँ सर.
बहुत कम बोला आपने. Okay. Yes. Now. Ashfaq, start करो.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashfaq Khan. Today I am telling you about my father. My father's name is Mr. Ismail Khan. He is a painter. He does his work honestly. He does his work on the time. He is a simple man. He put on simple clothes.
Puts on.
Puts on simple clothes. His education is at pass. He get up early in the morning.
Gets up.
Gets up early in the morning. Then he takes breakfast. Then he takes tea. His work is very hard. I am proud of my father. That's it, sir.
Okay, 1 minute speaking. मैंने कहा ना 2 मिनट बहुत होते हैं.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं है. No problem. Yes, come on, Shri. Start करो.
Today I tell you about my father. My father's name is Mr. Nagendra Sharma. He is a doctor. His qualification is BEMS. He's 35 years old. His hobby is reads book, and he gets up early in the morning. He takes bath early in the morning.
ठीक करो.
He takes bath early in the morning. He goes to clinic at 8 o'clock. He is a simple person. He helps all. He is a kind person. He has three children. Their name are Iti Srivasu, and he has two younger sisters. Their name are Sunita and Anita ji. He has a library where he reads book because he likes reading book.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहा है बेटा. हाँ.
Thank you, sir. He doesn't like anybody touched his books.
Regarding his books, हाँ.
Okay, sir. He helps all. He play volleyball in evening.
Yes.
He takes dinner at 10 o'clock. He don't like watch TV.
Doesn't. ध्यान रखो बेटा. Time is over. Okay, nice speaking. Very nice speaking. बहुत बढ़िया बोला. पूरा टाइम लिया है. और मैं भी इसको नहीं रोकता तो और ये आधा मिनट तक बोल सकती थी. वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा बेटा. शाबाश.
सर एक और लाइन बच गई.
बोल दे.
He sleep at 10 o'clock.
हो गया.
He loves us and we love her. We love
him. His नहीं him. Okay, बहुत अच्छा बेटा. शाबाश बेटा. Okay, okay बेटा. अब बोलो ऋतिक, बोलो फटाफट. चलो नेक्स्ट. सुहानी, कम स्टार्ट करो.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Suhani, and I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes B8. Today's topic is my father. My father name is Mr. Manoj Kumar Jain. He is a shopkeeper. He is 45 years old. He is a shopkeeper. His nature is very nice and kind. His behavior is very nice. Very nice. His favorite color is blue. His favorite color is blue. He has two children. He has two children. He has two daughters. One name is Suhani Jain and one name is Sanvi Jain.
And the other one is?
And the other one is Sanvi Jain.
Yes.
His qualification is MA B.Ed. He is very hardworking. He work day and night
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है बेटा, बोल.
to earn money for better future his family. He fulfill all choice of his family.
Choice नहीं, all needs.
All needs of his family. He is very hardworking. He live in nuclear family. He live in nuclear family. His hobby is selling things. He like playing football and watching TV.
Yes.
He good in playing badminton.
He is good.
He is good in playing badminton.
हाँ, थोड़ा ध्यान रखा कर वर्ब का.
Okay, sir. He does all works of their shop.
Of his shop.
Of his shop. He is very kind person.
Time is over.
Sir, एक line और बस. I love my father very much.
Okay, okay. Very nice speaking. बेटा आज बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने. शाबाश.
सर आप थोड़ा स्लो बोला.
कोई बात नहीं है, स्लो बोलो ना. जल्दबाजी किस चीज की हो रही है? हड़बड़ी क्यों? स्पीड तो अपने आप आ जाएगी.
थोड़ा ठीक से आ गई.
हाँ, आ गई ना बेटा. तो हड़बड़ाहट किस बात की? स्पीड तो अपने आप आ जाएगी माइंड में. जब एक बार सिस्टम बन जाएगा, तो सिस्टम बना रहे हैं ना अभी अपन माइंड में. जब एक बार वो सिस्टम अच्छे से एस्टेब्लिश हो जाएगा तो फिर अपने आप होने लग जाएगा. अभी जल्दबाजी करेंगे तो वो फिर हमेशा कच्चा रह जाएगा.
यस सर.
हाँ बेटा, बाकी अच्छा बोला आज तुमने. वेरी गुड. कम ऑन हर्षित.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am the student of B.Ed Ramban online interactive classes. Today I am telling on my father. My father name is Mr. Ramkaran Meena. He is a teacher. He is about 40 years old. He wakes up early in the morning at 7 o'clock. After it, she do yoga on the roof. And after it, he give water to the plants. And he go to school daily for teaching. After come from school, he play with us.
After coming from the school, ध्यान रखो बेटा थोड़ा सा.
After coming from the school, he play carom and ludo with us in our home. And he is a simple man. He wears simple clothes. His favorite food is dal and chapati.
शाबाश,
His
बोलो आराम से. हाँ बोलो.
his favorite color is green. His hobby is teaching and planting plants. He like to play badminton and football with us in park.
Very good.
He
शाबाश बेटा.
wears simple clothes.
शाबाश बेटा. हाँ बेटा
He
बोलो.
is punctual.
इधर से
He
ध्यान.
fulfill our needs. He works hard.
शाबाश बेटा बोल.
He helps us in our all the needs.
Very good.
That's all, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा.
Thank you, sir.
बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा. शाबाश, कोशिश करते रहो.
Okay,
आस्था.
Yes, sir. My name is Astha from Ramban Interactive Classes. Today my topic is on my father. So let's start it. My father's name is Mr. Pramod Rajput. His father's name is Mr. Shivraj Rajput. His mother's name is Mrs. Rani Rajput. He is about 33 years old. His qualification is MA B.Ed passed. His favorite color is red.
Yes.
He fulfill our needs.
Hmm.
He has one brother and one sister.
Shabash.
Their names are Rekha and Rakesh Rajput.
Very good. Very good. Huh.
His wife's name is Mrs. Pista Rajput.
Hmm.
His wife's qualification is 10th passed.
Hmm.
He has 3 children. Their names are Astha Rajput, Priyanshi Rajput, and Himani Rajput.
Hmm.
He get up early in the morning.
हाँ बेटा.
He go for a morning walk at 6 a.m.
Hmm.
He likes to play badminton.
हाँ बेटा बोलती रहे बेटा. हाँ.
He loves us so much.
हाँ बेटा.
He is an Indian Army soldier.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बोला. हाँ.
He read newspaper every day in morning.
शाबाश.
He watch news in
Watches.
TV.
Hmm.
He watches news in TV.
Hmm.
Her hobby is
His hobby.
to play badminton with us.
Hmm. ओके बेटा. टाइम इज ओवर बेटा. नाइस स्पीकिंग बेटा. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो आप. है ना बेटा. बस कोशिश करते रहो.
Thank you, sir.
कोशिश करते रहो बेटा. यस दृश्य. स्टार्ट करो.
Hello everyone, I am Drashya Agarwal. Today I am going to tell you about my father.
Hmm.
My father's name is Mr. Ravindra Kumar. He is a very nice person.
Hmm.
He puts on simple clothes.
Yes.
He has 4 siblings.
Hmm.
All are elder from him.
Hmm.
He has
Then him. Then or all are elder. Then he. कोई बात नहीं बोलो. Hmm.
He has 2 children.
Hmm.
His son is elder.
Hmm.
And his daughter is younger.
Hmm. Okay.
He is 40 years old.
Very good.
His favorite color is red.
Hmm.
His hobby is playing and working.
Very good.
His work is he is a businessman.
Yes.
He works of furniture.
Hmm.
He likes his favorite food is chapati and dal.
Okay. Yes.
He likes red color.
Sorry.
He likes red color.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Good speaking. Nice speaking बेटा. कोशिश करते रहो. Yes, Preeti. Come.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Preeti Agarwal. Today I am telling you about my father. My father's name is Mr. Gopal Krishna Agarwal. He is about 60 years old. He is a nice person.
Good.
He is very helping and hardworking.
Yes.
He gets up early in the morning.
Yes.
After getting, he prepares tea for himself. And when we go to there, he also prepares tea for us also.
Yes.
And after preparing tea, he takes bath and goes to his shop because he is a businessman.
Yes.
And he is very hardworking, and he takes care of us, and he always try to fulfill our all needs.
Very good.
And he is very religious. He visits every month to religious places with his friends.
Okay.
and his hobby is to watch TV and to listen devotional songs
Hmm.
and to go religious places with his friends.
Yes.
And he's a patient of sugar, and still he likes to eat sweets,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
he he likes to eat spicy food.
Yes.
We always tell him not to eat so much spicy, but he doesn't care for
Hmm.
it, and he says that I will eat it only
Yes.
because I like it.
Yes.
And he is always ready to help the persons who are in need. Either he doesn't have anything to help them,
Very good.
but he tries to help them. How can he help? Eh, he can take any problem, he can face any problem to help them.
Time is
Those,
over.
okay, sir.
But you should use whether at the place of either. आपको
Okay,
याद है
sir.
आपने आइदर बोला था वो आइदर ही हैज दैट थिंग और नॉट, तो वहां पर आप
Yes, sir.
वेदर को यूज करें उसकी जगह
Okay, sir.
WHETHER.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
नाइस स्पीकिंग प्रीति, कीप इट अप, शाबाश.
Thank you, sir.
यस, कम ऑन वंस.
Good evening. Hello friends, I am telling about my father. My father's name is Mr. Raju Sharma. He is a businessman. His age is 45 years old. He gets up early in the morning.
Yes.
He put on pant and shirt.
Puts on, वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो बेटा.
Puts on. His favorite fruit is mango.
क्या कर रहे हो ऋतिक आप?
His favorite color is red.
ऋतिक क्या कर रहे हो आप? ये प्रेजेंट क्यों कर दिया आपने? जब बोलो आप.
His behavior is very good. He is a businessman.
Yes.
His wife's name is Mrs. Kamala Sharma.
Yes.
He has 4 children. Their name
मत लगाया
are.
करो बेटा, चिल्ड्रन में एस मत लगाया करो, मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ आपको, है ना.
Okay, sir. Their name are Payal, Priyanka, Neha, and Vansh. That's it.
Okay. Good. 1 minute and 20 seconds speaking. और बढ़ाओ थोड़ी सी लेंथ, बार बार मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको.
Okay, sir.
बट नाइस स्पीकिंग. कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा, धीरे धीरे कोशिश करेंगे ना. यस, कम ऑन सिमरन.
Yes, sir.
स्टार्ट करो.
Hello everyone, my name is Simran.
आवाज
And
तेज कर थोड़ी सी
today
अपनी,
our
आवाज
topic-
ही नहीं आती. माइक को पास में ले, इसको, माइक तो इतना दूर है तेरा. हाँ.
Today's our topic is about father. Father is our second teacher who teaches us about good and evil. We learn the meaning of discipline from our father. My father name is Mr. Bhushan Meena. He is about 35 years old and he is a teacher.
Good.
He wake up early in the morning
Wakes
and
up.
go to walk
Hmm.
and after it he take his tea and go to ready for school.
Gets ready. Gets ready for school. हाँ.
And after it he goes to his school. And in evening he comes from his school.
Comes back from the school. हाँ.
Comes back from and then he takes rest for 1 hour. And 4 p.m. he takes his evening tea.
Yes.
And after it he play badminton with me. And about 8 p.m. he take his dinner and watch news for 1 hour.
Watches. बेटा वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो.
And then he go to sleep 10 p.m. And he is very lovely father in the world for me. He is my best friend and he guide us for he teaches us the importance of time in our life.
टाइम इज ओवर बेटा. यस, बोलो कुछ लास्ट का सेंटेंस है तो बोल लो.
I love my father.
ओके बेटे, आवाज ठीक कर एक तो अपनी. ये तूने पता नहीं माइक कहाँ जा रहा है तेरा. इसको माइक को मुंह के पास होना चाहिए ना. गलत लगा रखा है तूने, या तो इसको ठीक कर बेटा. इसको थोड़ा सा आवाज को ठीक कर बेटा थोड़ी सी. ओके कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा बोला बेटा तूने, है ना. कोशिश करती रहे ऐसी. यस नैना.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Nana. I telling about my father. My father name is Mr. My son. She get up early in the morning.
he gets up. आराम से बोल, एक ही सांस में बोलने की कोशिश मत करे.
Okay, sir.
ऐसा लग रहा है. हाँ आराम से बोल, घबराए मत, भगे मत बेटा. हाँ.
He gets up early in the morning. He go to morning walk daily.
थोड़ा सांस भी ले लिया कर सेंटेंस खत्म होने के बाद में. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे रट्टा मार के आई है और बोले जा रही है. हाँ बोल. मुझे पता है नहीं रट के आई, पर बोलने का तरीका होता है ना बेटा एक, उसको फॉलो कर थोड़ा सा. इतने सारे लोगों को सुन रही है, सब कुछ बात हो रहा है. हाँ बोल.
He is a shopkeeper. He is simple man. He puts on simple clothes.
हाँ शाबाश, ऐसे बोला आराम से. हाँ.
He loves me. And I love you.
I love him.
I love him. His wife name is Suman San. He's that's it, sir.
ओके. बच्चों के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया. कितने बच्चे हैं, क्या है, क्या हुआ, घबरा गई तू, कोई आ गया?
सर नहीं, आज सर तबीयत भी ठीक नहीं है.
चलो फिर भी अच्छा बोला तूने बस, है ना. कोई बात नहीं, कोशिश करती रहे बेटा. यस विनय मैडम.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about my father. My father's name is Mr. Deven Singh. He is about 60 years old. He gets up early in the morning, and he goes to morning walk daily. After coming from morning walk, he brings milk, and he makes tea for himself and his mother. And after taking tea, he does some yogas, and after does yoga, he reads newspaper.
आफ्टर योगा कर दो खाली. आफ्टर योगा, आफ्टर 8 ऐसे बोलो. हाँ.
After doing yoga, he reads newspaper, and then he takes bath. He's a very religious person, and he does worship daily. He does worship 2 or 3 hours daily.
Okay.
After that, he takes his breakfast, and he takes dalia in breakfast regularly. And he's a very fond of sweets. But he could not eat them because of diabetes.
Okay.
And he's diabetic actually. And his education is BA. And he was a government employee. Now he's a retired person from railways.
Good.
And he's a very polite person. He's a very helpful, and he never deny if anybody asks for help in all around our neighborhood. And
टाइम इज ओवर मैडम. बोल लीजिए एक सेंटेंस और, कोई बात नहीं. यस.
I like my father very much. अरे ये तो लंबा हो गया.
यही तो बात है. ओके अच्छा बोला आपने. वेरी गुड. यस कम ऑन पूर्णिमा.
Thank you, sir. Hello everyone. Today I tell about my father. My father name is Mr. Deven Singh. He was retired before.
He is retired. हाँ
हो गए हैं, हो गए
वो रिटायर्ड हैं। वाज मत लगाओ, वाज का मतलब कुछ और हो जाएगा, आप समझो बात को जरा यहाँ पे।
ओके ओके ओके।
हाँ
he is retired
हाँ
before नहीं sorry 3 year ago.
हाँ, ही गॉट रिटायर्ड कर दो आप, 3 years ago।
He got
हाँ
3 years ago. He's a single he's now single child of my grandparents because he had a brother who passed away before
passed away
before 20 year ago.
बिफोर और एगो दोनों मत लगाओ, 20 years ago। हाँ
20 years ago. His father is also died when he was 4 year old.
वाज लगा सकते थे आप यहाँ पे, his father was died, या वाज की भी जरूरत नहीं है, his father died।
हाँ यही बोला सर, his father was died.
ओके
His father was died when he was 4 year old. So his mother is single parent of him. He take cares of him. He take cares of him.
टाइम इज ओवर।
Oh, time is over.
यस
बड़ी जल्दी हो गया सर, कुछ नहीं बोला।
कोई बात नहीं, ओके अच्छा बोला, लेकिन इस फास्ट थोड़ा सा फास्ट लाना पड़ेगा ना आपको, और लिमिटेड चीजें लानी पड़ेंगी, टाइम लिमिट मिलता है एक्चुअली।
जी जी जी
ये वाली बात है। अच्छा कोई और रह गया क्या? हाँ यस मोना आजा बेटा।
Hello,
हाँ बोल।
hello everyone. My name is Mona Meena. I telling about my father. My father name is Mr. Jairam Meena. He is about 45 years old. He get up early in the morning. He worship the God. He believe the God. He puts on the kurta. He
Your voice is also
he
not
is
clear. Yes, come on.
सर स्टार्टिंग से बोलूं?
नहीं स्टार्टिंग से नहीं, स्टार्टिंग से क्यों, टाइम चल रहा है आपका, आवाज क्लियर नहीं है आपकी, आपका नेट वेट का प्रॉब्लम है, डेटा खत्म हो जाता है अब तक आते आते शायद आपका। बोलो अब।
His wife name is Mrs. Lali Devi Meena. He has 4 children. He work hard. He takes tea in morning. He reads newspaper daily.
शाबाश, अच्छा बोल रही है बेटा, बस तेरी आवाज थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ हो रही है, बाकी अच्छा बोल रही है, बोल।
He watches TV.
Yes.
He take dinner at about 9 p.m. He sleeps at about 10 p.m.
Yes.
And he loves us. He loves us.
हाँ
And
ओके बेटा, टाइम इज
that's
ओवर।
it, sir.
हाँ टाइम भी हो गया। ओके, और कोई रह गया क्या? कोई रह तो नहीं गया? सब हो गया सबका? चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच। सबका स्पीकिंग बहुत अच्छा था, मैं क्लोज कर रहा हूँ, है ना।